Genre, fable. Compare texts. Read about a contest between the wind and the sun to see who is stronger. The Wind and the Sun, from the fable by Aesop. The wind and the sun both lived in the sky. Like most neighbors, they got along much of the time. However, sometimes they argued about who was strongest. "I am stronger than you," boasted the wind one day. "I can topple trees and flatten homes. On a sunny day, I can spoil the weather conditions by blowing in clouds and rain." The sun smiled. "No, I am stronger. I provide daylight and the heat that keeps people warm." "Let's have a contest to determine who is stronger," blustered the wind. "See that farmer down there in his field? We'll each try to make him take off his coat. Whoever succeeds is the winner." "Okay, you go first," the sun agreed. The wind took a big breath and blew and blew. He tried to blast away the farmer's coat with all his strength, but the farmer only pulled his coat tighter. "Brr! That's peculiar," said the farmer. "The weather forecast on the radio didn't predict a freezing wind for today." Soon the wind grew tired and stopped howling. "Your turn, sun," he panted. Sun nodded and smiled. He sent out his warmest rays. The farmer began to sweat as he labored in the field. "Ah, it certainly has become a warm, sunny day," he sighed with relief as he removed his coat. And with that, the sun won the contest. Gentle persuasion works better than force. Make connections. Why is the sun stronger than the wind? Compare this story to other stories about the weather.